At Montana State University Northern, research is happening in a way that directly connects students, faculty, and the community.
We're in the pilot phase of what we hope will be a long-term study on resting metabolic rates in women. Specifically, we want to look at how different they are person to person.
This study, open to women ages 18 through 65 in Hill County, explores how women's bodies use energy at rest and what that reveals about overall health.
We ask women in terms of their lifestyle habits, stress levels, their sleep, things like that, if those have any relationship to the differences we see in resting metabolic rate.
The metabolic rate test measures how much oxygen the body uses at rest to determine how many calories it burns, and whether that energy is coming from fats or carbohydrates.
When we think about calories in and calories out and trying to balance those, your resting metabolism, the calories we spend at rest, that's the biggest bucket and tends to affect our energy balance the most. It's not maybe as much about how fast or slow your metabolism is as probably what kind of substrates you're using to create the energy. When you are using energy, is it coming from carbohydrates or coming from fats?
This study creates opportunities you don't always find at a smaller university.
We're really proud that we're offering research opportunities like this for our students because it gives them really good hands-on experience working with people, clinical skills.
The project also connects the university with the community, giving participants insight into their own health.
The more oxygen our body uses, the more calories we're using at rest, and that there are very deliberate things one can do to increase oxygen use, like exercise.
What began as a pilot project is already growing, with plans to expand data collection and continue building a long-term data set.
Embry has recently awarded 3 of our students a summer scholars stipend to do research through the summer. And they've also awarded Northern money to kind of keep this project going for the next at least couple years.